Welcome to Puerto Rico, a captivating island in the Caribbean that boasts a rich tapestry of history, culture, and natural wonders. In this video, we will explore a few of Puerto Rico's most interesting locations, exploring the shores and highlighting the unique experiences they offer to travelers. Touching down at Luis Muñoz Marin International Airport, travelers are greeted by the warm Caribbean breeze and the promise of adventure awaiting just beyond the runway. With its convenient location just minutes from the airport, Verde Beach beckons visitors with its pristine beaches and vibrant atmosphere. Step onto the soft sands of Verde Beach and feel your worries melt away as you soak up the sunshine and dip your toes into the crystal clear waters of the Caribbean Sea. With its gentle waves and palm-fringed shoreline, Verde Beach is an idyllic setting for beachgoers of all ages. Our first stop is the enchanting district of Old San Juan, where history comes alive amidst the cobblestone streets and colonial architecture. Founded by Spanish settlers in the early 16th century, Old San Juan is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a treasure trove of cultural heritage. Dominating the skyline is El Morro Fortress, a symbol of Puerto Rico's resilience and strategic importance. Built to defend the island from seaborne attacks, El Morro offers visitors a glimpse into the island's military history and panoramic views of the Atlantic Ocean. Tucked away within the storied walls of El Morro Fortress lies a place of quiet reflection and profound history, the Old San Juan Cemetery. Perched atop the cliffs overlooking the Atlantic Ocean, this sacred site offers a glimpse into Puerto Rico's past and the lives of those who shaped its legacy. Beyond its historical significance, the Old San Juan Cemetery offers visitors a serene sanctuary amidst the hustle and bustle of the city. With panoramic views of the ocean and the sound of crashing waves as a backdrop, it's a place to pause, reflect, and pay homage to the generations who came before us. With its brightly painted houses and bustling streets, La Perla is a living mosaic of Puerto Rican culture. Old San Juan is a living testament to Puerto Rico's cultural heritage and a must-visit destination for anyone seeking to immerse themselves in the island's vibrant past. The Yunque National Forest, a verdant paradise nestled in the northeastern corner of Puerto Rico, as the only tropical rainforest in the US. Yunque holds a special place in the hearts of both locals and visitors alike, offering a sanctuary of biodiversity and natural beauty unlike any other. Spanning over 28,000 acres, the Yunque National Forest is a haven for over 240 species of plants, 50 species of native orchids, and countless species of birds, reptiles, and mammals. Its lush landscapes and towering trees provide habitat for endangered species such as the Puerto Rican parrot and the coqui frog, making it a vital ecosystem for conservation efforts. Yunque's history stretches back thousands of years, with indigenous Taino communities residing in the region long before the arrival of European explorers. In 1903, under the administration of President Theodore Roosevelt, Yunque was designated as a protected forest reserve. marking the beginning of its conservation efforts. Over the years, it has undergone various changes in management and designation, eventually being established as a U.S. National Forest in 2007. The picturesque city of Luquillo, a hidden gem nestled along the northeastern coast of Puerto Rico, with its pristine beaches, vibrant culture, and rich history. Luquillo offers visitors a glimpse into the island's enchanting past and the beauty of its coastal landscapes. Boasting some of the most beautiful beaches on the island, Luquillo is a paradise for sunseekers and water enthusiasts alike. From the tranquil shores of Playa Azul to the golden sands of Luquillo Beach, there's no shortage of idyllic spots to soak up the Caribbean sun and dip your toes in the azure waters. Luquillo has been a hub for fishing and agriculture, with its fertile lands and abundant marine resources sustaining local communities for generations. Today, remnants of its agrarian past can still be seen in the lush countryside and traditional fishing villages that dot the coastline. Whether you're seeking relaxation on the beach, immersion in local culture, or exploration of natural wonders, Luquillo invites you to discover the best of Puerto Rico's coastal charm and rich heritage. With its warm hospitality and endless opportunities for adventure, it's a destination that will capture your heart and leave you longing to return again and again. Beyond its natural beauty, Balneario del Cambron Beach is steeped in history, with nearby landmarks offering a glimpse into Puerto Rico's rich cultural heritage. Named after the Spanish word escambron, a type of prickly pear cactus found in the area, this beloved beach has been a favorite destination for locals and tourists alike for generations. Its tranquil waters and gentle waves make it ideal for swimming, snorkeling, and simply basking in the warm Caribbean sun. In the 16th century, Cambron Beach served as a strategic point for Spanish soldiers, who patrolled its shores and kept watch for enemy ships approaching the island. Today, remnants of the fortress's coastal defenses can still be seen, providing a tangible link to Puerto Rico's colonial past. With its convenient location near the heart of San Juan, Balneario del Cambron Beach offers a range of amenities for visitors to enjoy. From beachfront restaurants serving up fresh seafood to shaded picnic areas and playgrounds for families, there's something for everyone to enjoy in this coastal paradise. As we come to the end of our journey through the enchanting island of Puerto Rico, we hope that this video has allowed you to enjoy your visit, inspiring you to embark on your next adventure and explore the beauty and culture of this vibrant destination. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and until next time. From Port City Heights.
Welcome to Port City Heights, your gateway to an expansive online stock library of stunning aerial footage. Explore our expansive online stock footage library, boasting an ever-expanding array of breathtaking aerial images and videos. It's a haven for marketers, filmmakers, and content creators in pursuit of that picture-perfect shot. What makes us stand out? Our hassle monthly subscription. Dive into a realm of awe-inspiring aerial content with the liberty to explore. Take your project to new heights with Port City Heights. Visit our website to explore our stock library.